Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our another episode of Trains At. And today I am at Hitchin on the East Coast Main Line. And our first train of the day is going to be another career going on class 365 unit. As I was coming in, a 91 passed me and a 365 off to its way onto Cambridge North. So yeah, our first train of the day, I will repeat, is going to be a career going on class 365 unit. On the front we have 530. So I'm going to go up to go get her departure to see short. Okay guys, in the next train to depart will be 530. Oh, there we have 536. So yes, I'm at Hitchin today. This was a requested video, so shout out Saturday. So when I get home there'll be quite a few shout out videos going up, but here's some anyway. Transport 11, Transport 2003, JB Trains, Harvey Wright, Trains, 305 Lance, Deltic Dan, 900. Who else can I say who wants to shout out? Transport Fan, ADHB Gaming, AL class, AL 59 class 66, or AL class 50, AL 66 class 59. So yeah, there's a shout out. But they'll be on separate videos as well, so just make sure. So see you shortly.
36. Well, I want to go up 60, so that's nice, isn't it? Yeah, no, that's a bit worse everywhere, isn't it? Your size, right? You've just got to look after yourself.
Yeah. The track's up and down everywhere these days.
Yeah.
Patchwork, isn't it? You've got to patch it up all the time.
That's all we are, we're just firefighting all the time, aren't we, really?
Yeah, that's it.
I think the track's, do you think the track's getting better or no? I'll tell you where I do think it's bad, I don't know if you agree with me. I think they're going to do that all anyway, so it's nothing, you know.
Is that over the points?
No, not the points over that flyover, on the upside. You
Oh,
probably don't
yeah,
feel
yeah.
it because you're at the front of the cab, but
So
you're in the
some
middle.
of these 387s, that one that just went past, sit on the back of one of them.
That's
Oh,
probably,
they're
yeah,
throwing
that's
it
where I am when it normally happens, yeah.
Yeah, they're very rare. Anyway, enjoy taking photos.
If you see him, mate, make sure you, what's your name?
My name, Gavin.
This is Gavin, this is Charlie. He loves a horn. If you give him a horn, he'll be happy for 2 weeks, wouldn't you?
Oh,
Yeah.
2 weeks? That's just because he's filming it. I've got to go and get
He's
this
after
bike.
300 subscribers.
Okay, and the next train
Make sure
to
you
go
get
by
that,
is going to be 365.
He ain't in the cab, is he, or is he?
Oh yeah.
Oh, you're fucking laughing. You've got Gavin in the cab. Get that, put your head. Oh, you make me laugh.
Thank you very much, 519. Absolutely awesome. Just making the station hell loud now, aren't you?
You need to tell us how that was your mate Gavin that gave you that.
Shout out to the driver Gavin there. Thank you very much. Right, guys, we'll have to see what comes next. So I think that's the horn of the day, guys. I think that's just taking it away. That's definitely going to be on my one of the best horn ever now. So see you shortly. Hello, guys, and the next train to pass by is going to be 43 for VTech.
It's an Uber.
Guys, I don't know if you heard that, but he gave a 2-tone at the end. Lovely. Well, I see you shortly. Hello guys, we're going to have a bit of non-stopper thrash on my platform. Can't be a bit of non-stopper thrash on platform 1 at Hitchin. Love it. It's going to be a non-stopper 365, I can tell you that. He's got. Hang on. No, it's pooping more than 37.
Yeah, he's a fast thrower, isn't he?
I just said
Give him
that.
a strut.
I'm recording.
Sorry, I didn't realise. Yeah, dreadful mistake. I didn't realise. We knew.
Hello guys, I'm going to go another train approaching in.
This train is full of 4 coaches, calling at
Letchworth,
Letchworth, City,
Boulder, Ashton,
Ashland,
Northern, Royston,
Royston,
Meldriff, Shepworth, Foxton, Cambridge and
Cambridge
Cambridge North.
Customers are reminded
To mind the gap between
the
train and
and
platform.
platform edge when boarding.
You think I'm going to try and get into 2 guys. We may have an East Coast coming, but highly undoubtful. I mean, we do have 1 scheduled on the fast. Oh. Okay guys, I'll see you shortly. Okay, and 365-507 is on her way to Cambridge North via the flyover. I'm just praying that VTech doesn't come behind me. VTech. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Don't be. No, let's see shortly. Okay, guys, the next train class 5 is going to be another one.
1652 Great Ormond, service to Peterborough.
Thank you very much. Lovely, yes. Thank you. That was good. Right, I'll see you shortly. Hello guys, in a quick swivel round and we've got now 365. Approaching on platform 2. Trying to get him to toot. I want another VTech 91 to come now. (538) off to Peterborough. Right guys, I'll see you shortly. Okay guys and girls, and the next train to depart here is going to be 50539, wasn't it? 539? And 35, I think it's 555. I'm not entirely sure, but no, it's 521. Right, who has filmed Peterborough, comment that number down, because you'll see that if you're filming there. So comment that down below. So guys, yeah, it's only been like 9 minutes, we've already got some fantastic horns, legendary drivers, and the regular, so I'll see you shortly guys. Okay, and our next train of the day is going to be another 91. with an 82 on the rear with one light on. I swear the lights are getting broken now. Right guys, see you shortly. Look guys, the next one's going to be an 82. Again. Crafty. I'll see you shortly. Adelante. Okay guys, you have a nice picture.
Absolutely marvellous.
Look guys, we have another translation I think. Yep, 35. Five 515 off. Yeah, straight off to Peterborough. Right guys, see you shortly. So guys, the next training of the day is going to be Upper 87. Okay, hello Ruth, are you alright? Hello, yeah, what's up? Have a nice weekend.
I'm covered for everything. I've had a word with them today. She said anything goes wrong, they come out straight away and do it. Yeah. No, that's covered for the next 5 years, she told me. Anything goes wrong, they send a van out to my house and he fixes it for free. Well, they don't normally go wrong anyway, in fairness, they movers. I mean, yeah. Yeah, that's right, yeah. I'm sitting out, I'm staying. I'm tired. I'm just worried all the time. Take it, do this, do that. But at the end of the day, I'm in Jackie's house.
Okay, the next train's par 5 is going to be number 82. Another last minute horn from him. Right guys, see you shortly. Okay guys, we have another train coming in. It's going to be for Peterborough. It's going to be a 365. Biggleswade, home, Sunty. No, don't do that. I don't know that route.
Customers are reminded to mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
It'll be a 365. Yeah, I haven't seen a 37 gone to Peterborough yet. I'll give him a little wave. Try and go to the beat or horn. .4. Right guys, I'll see you shortly. Okay, and the next train pass by is going to be his Courier in all class 385 set. 524 in the front. I'm going to make a guess and say 532. No, I was 31 out. It was 501. Hopefully that other Peterborough service will be coming back soon. They'll probably meet at Biggleswade then too. Usually do.
Don't kick them shoes in again, will ya?
Sorry about that guys, my dad's been an utter dickhead. Okay, we have a 43. There's a Trainboy Express on the rear. Yes. That's my one there. Right guys, see you shortly. Right guys, we've got another train approaching.
Oh dear. City, Bulldog, Royston and Cambridge. Customers are reminded to mind the gap between the train and the platform edge when boarding.
Got 91 coming this way guys. Okay guys, I'll see you shortly. Okay, the next train to depart will be our service to Cambridge, calling at Lecturer Bulldog, Ashworth, Morden, Royston and Cambridge. "541" is on the rear. Right guys, see you shortly. Hey guys, we have a 91. Right guys, see you shortly. Okay guys, you have another train approaching.
This train is formed of 8 coaches, calling at Stevenage, Finsbury Park and London King's Cross. Customers are reminded to mind the gap between the train and platform edge when
Yes, got these Midlands, lovely. Can't be a bit of East Midlands fresh, can you?
May I have your attention, please, on platform 1. We are sorry to announce that the 1736 Great Northern service to London King's Cross has been cancelled. This is due to a member of train crew being unavailable. We apologise for the inconvenience caused. Passengers...
Okay guys, the next train to depart will be 365. Five through 4, 5 through 9. Lovely. Thank you very much. Right guys, see you shortly. Right, might as well cross if it a dead spot.
Let me finish this game.
Right guys, I'll see you shortly because we're going to cross now. So see you shortly. Okay guys, this is another VTEC. I think. I can't tell because of these stupid noises. No, it's not. Right guys, I'll see you shortly when a VTEC comes. Hang on. I'll just see you shortly guys. Alright guys, I got the timing a bit wrong. This is a non-stopper. Apart from one.
Bastard.
I think it's a 365. It's signed by the motors or whatever. It's probably 387 man, my life, I jinxed it. Yeah, it's 387. Used to get 365 non-stop for here. Quite a lot. I'm just worried now because I prefer VTEC. And if a VTEC comes, I'm going to try and record 2. I'm in trouble, but I don't think it should, but let's run into 2. don't know. Guys, I don't know when this change of platform is going to be happening. So every time I think we've hit a dead spot, it never happens. Because something else comes.
Yoo-hoo! I beat it!
Right guys, see you soon. Hello guys, we have another non-stopper. Maybe it'd be something good like a freight train, but it's not.
This is a security message. If you see something...
The East Coast ain't came yet.
Speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
Oh, would you look at that? It's 365. Oh, wow. Hopefully it might beep. Hello guys, we have another Lante.
I'll shake my head.
Great Northern service to Peterborough. This train is formed of 8 coaches, calling at Arlesing, Biggleswade, Sanding, St Neots, Huntingdon and Peterborough. Customers are reminded to mind the gap between the train and platform edge when boarding. To Cambridge North. This train is formed of 4 coaches, calling at Letchworth, Garden City, Bulldog, Ashwell and Morden, Royston, Melbourne, Shepperton, Folkestone, Cambridge and Cambridge North. Customers are reminded to mind the gap between the train and the platform edge when boarding.
Where do we get lost?
Maybe a cross, maybe a northern line down the
Half a baggie. I'm going to ring my wife now. Yeah.
Platform 1 for the 18
Yeah, so I'll probably stop there. I've just got to go to get some paint for your house first.
This train is formed of 4 coaches.
That shit hasn't gone off by now.
Network, Welling North, Welling Garden City, Hatfield, Potter's Bar, Finsbury Park, and London Ladies and gentlemen, for your own safety, please stand back. May I have your attention, please, on platform 2? We are sorry to announce that the 1818 Great Northern service to Peterborough has been cancelled.
Bloody train! Oh, you'll be alright. Go up there, you did it better.